Hi there, it's a beautiful day in the Hudson Valley, and I'm at the incredible 500-acre outdoor sculpture park known as Storm King. I'm Joel Craig, your guide to Hudson Valley lifestyle and real estate. Let's check it out. Storm King was founded way back in 1960, and it's become world famous for its large-scale sculptures. Think of it as a cross between a sculpture park and a nature preserve. So the cool thing about Storm King is that you're not just looking at a piece of art sitting there stationary. As you move through it or move past it, it changes your perspective. Not to mention plenty of fresh air and beautiful scenery. Andy Goldworthy's serpentine stone wall snakes for more than half a mile across the property. So you can hike Storm King, or you can rent a bike, or you can ride the tram. Either way, I'd suggest you bring comfortable shoes, and you might even want to bring a picnic. So definitely put Storm King on your bucket list. It's a great place to explore. Storm King Art Center in New Windsor is open from spring till late fall. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to the channel. Come along with me on my adventures. I'm Joel Craig, your guide, Hudson Valley lifestyle and real estate. I'll see you out there.